Their unusual call is known as a bugle, and it means it's almost time for them to breed. This majestic old bull is the boss around here. He guards a large herd of females, known as a harem. But at 10 years old, this could be his last season at the top. For the next month, keeping rivals away will all come down to his ability to bugle. The elk's strange call is made up of two different sounds produced simultaneously, known as bifurnation. By slowing down and separating these sounds, we can hear a high, piercing whistle, as well as a deep, bellowing roar. They can be heard from a mile away by rival males. The high whistle alone is usually enough to scare off the competition, but this interloper has other ideas. Calling back is a direct challenge. To hold on to his harem, the old bull now has no option but to fight. Lasting up to 30 minutes, the aim is to wear down and exhaust the opponent. The old bull sends the interloper packing. A victory bugle. Elk are the only mammals besides humans thought to use sound to celebrate victory.